Hi, today I'm going to show you my arrangement for Dust My Broom by Elmore James. I'm tuned to G. So the lowest string is G, middle string is D, and the highest string is G, one octave higher. I'll play the lick and then I'll play it slow. I'll put a tab down in the corner. Okay, now I'll play that slow. That's probably the toughest lick of the whole song. So I'm going to talk about it a little bit. The song is a shuffle, and those first rhythms are called triplets. And you can find triplets just by taking any beat. I'm going to go slow. And saying the word triplet. Triplet, 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 triplet. Kind of annoying, but it works. When you speed it up, it's triplet, 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 triplet. This happens a lot in blues songs. It's a good thing to get a handle on. So that lick there, you start off with the triplets, and then you just go into a regular shuffle feel with these notes. Now, you might have noticed that when I do the rhythm, I'm starting on the 2 here instead of the open, like the standard blues rhythm. Well, that's because technically the rhythm's already started when I start up here. So I'm jumping into the rhythm in the middle to give it a kind of continuity. See what I mean? So you play that twice, and then you go to the 4 chord, which is on the 5th fret. I usually slide into it from just below. I'm going to do that slow. So when I do that up to speed, it sounds kind of like I'm doing the proper note. But it's pretty tough to do it up to speed. So what I do is I just use my palm and I mute the low string here, and it gives it that effect, which I represent with an X in the tab. So that's why that's like that. And then we go back to the intro again. And then we go to the 5 chord, which is on the 7th fret. I like to slide into that. Then to the 4 chord. I'll do that slow just in case. And then into the turnaround, which is just your standard. I'll do that a little slower even. So we come from here. Yeah, and you can go from like a 6 to 7 or 5 to 7 or 5, 6, 7. You know, I think I do them all one way or another, but it doesn't really matter. That's the intro of the song. The verse of the song is a little bit different because it starts on the 1 chord, which is G, and you start right from the beginning, and then you go right up to the 4 chord, which is called a quick change. So I'll do that slow. And then you go right to the intro. You don't wait at all. It starts right on what's called the 1, right on the beat. So. All right, then it goes to the 4 chord. Back to the intro. And you guessed it, to the 5 chord. to the turnaround. So when you're done playing the song and you get to the turnaround and you want to do something to end the song, there's a few things you can do. The easiest thing to do is just slow it down. Or, same thing. But of course you want to end the song on the 1 chord, which is 0, 0, 0 or 12, 12, 12. Okay, I hope I covered all the parts. Have a great day. Bye.